Making garlic soup is both very easy and you don't need to put a lot of ingredients in it. Here are some homemade recipes that will make the whole family eat their fingers. Garlic soup is one of the classic dishes. So have you ever tried? If you haven't tried, what are you waiting for? Here are 3 easy recipes for you to try. We wonder which one your family will love the most. Easy recipes to taste garlic soup. Garlic is a vegetable originally grown in Asia. But thanks to its amazing taste and aroma, its use has spread all over the world. Besides its taste, it proves its richness with phosphorus, potassium, iodine minerals and vitamin B6 content. All of these minerals and vitamins make garlic an important food for you to choose. In this article, we will share 3 easy garlic soup recipes for you to discover the most suitable for your taste. As with all other soups, you can try all kinds of ingredients in your recipes according to your taste and budget. 1. Vegan garlic soup. You don't need a lot of ingredients to make this soup. You can host vegan guests, this may be a great option for you. It is also very easy to make and it tastes delicious. Ingredients: for 1 person, 2 cloves of garlic, peeled and sliced, 1 slice of bread, 1/4 teaspoon sweet red pepper, 1.5 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 4 glasses of water, 1 egg, optional, parsley to decorate, optional. Preparation of: first, slice the bread into thin slices or cubes and set aside. Next, heat the olive oil in a saucepan. Fry the garlic until it turns brown. Add the breads and mix them so that they do not burn. Add water, salt and pepper. Cook over high heat until boiling. After boiling, cut the bottom of the stove. If you are going to add eggs, you can add it at this point. Then continue boiling for another 10 minutes or until the bread breaks down. Garnish with parsley and serve. 2. Sausage garlic soup. This soup can be the most delicious among our recipes. Of course, if you are going to add such processed food to your soup, keep in mind that the calorie amount of the food and the rate of fat will increase. Materials: 4 cloves of chopped garlic, 120 gr sausage, 1 crick crack, preferably from the previous day, 120 ml milk, 2 eggs, salt and sweet red pepper to taste, 4 cups of broth, extra virgin olive oil to taste. Preparation of: put the olive oil in the pot and heat it. As the olive oil burns easily, use the fire at a lower frequency than usual. Add the garlic and sauté until it turns brown. Chop the sausages, slice the bread into cubes and add to the pan and mix well. Add the broth and boil. Then cut the bottom of the fire and heat it for another 10 minutes until the bread melts. Add both eggs and mix continuously for 5 minutes until you get a creamy texture. Your soup is now ready for service. Bon appétit! 3. Poached egg garlic soup. Eggs are quality protein and energy boils. In addition, due to the essential amino acids it contains, nutritionists recommend consuming eggs several days a week. Also, as seen in studies, it has been proven that eating eggs does not increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. Materials: 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 3 eggs, 150 grams bread, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon of sweet red pepper, extra virgin olive oil as needed, parsley to decorate, salt to taste. Preparation of: First, sauté the garlic by heating the olive oil in a pot. Slice the bread and add the garlic to the pot when it turns golden. Add the red pepper and mix. Add the vegetable broth, salt on top and boil for 2 minutes. Then take the soup from the stove and put it in the oven-proof soup bowls. Break the eggs into each bowl and place them in a 180 degrees oven until cooked. Garnish with parsley and serve. Soup derivatives. As we said before, the only thing that limits you when it comes to cooking is your imagination. It is up to you to add your own touch to these recipes. There are many other foods that suit garlic. You may also consider evaluating them. For example, you can add potatoes to your soup. In this way, the taste of the soup will not only be more satisfying, but you will also be able to increase the nutritional value of your food. How about putting some ham? If you prefer something like this, you should be careful not to miss the salt of the food. Add the ham, boil the soup, check the salt of the food and add salt if necessary. Instead of sweet red pepper, use chili peppers for a more intense taste. You can add other vegetables such as mushrooms, leeks, zucchini and carrots to your soup. Yes, what do you think about these garlic soup recipes? Come on, put on your apron and start trying. And finally, you can support the video by following us smiley face.